Okay guys, so I'm gonna show you this is having a cracking sound when you turn it on. Oh. Okay guys, so as you can see, this has a cracking sound, so let me show you guys. I'm gonna play the music. Let's hear. Hear that? There is a cracking sound. There's a cracking sound which is really not good for your sound. So what we're gonna be doing here is we're gonna be changing the knob. I mean, not changing, but we're gonna be putting some special magic liquid to fix it, okay? Okay guys, so we're gonna be putting the hidden fluid that is really effective. So here is the hidden fluid. So you just put it there on the top of the fader. Okay. Okay, so we just pour it there. It's ready to put it. I don't think it's open. Okay guys, I don't think it's open, so I need to first cut it off. Alright guys, so this is the moment of truth. So there's no cracking sound anymore. You can see there's no cracking sound. Can you hear any cracking sound? Okay guys, so that's all. So this is guys how to fix your fader knob without anything. I mean without using any soldering. Just the pure magic liquid. Just play it guys. So let's check it out. See guys? No cracking sound anymore. Okay guys, so that's the tutorial on how to fix it guys. Thank you for watching and I love you guys. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you. Okay guys, so as you could see, you could hear the cracking noise. You could hear. You can hear the noise. There's a cracking sound. You guys, there's a cracking noise, so good to you guys. There's the cracking noise. I could hear the cracking noise. There's the cracking noise, you can hear. Hear that? Maybe we'll be using the magic fluid. Yeah guys, we're gonna be taking this down. You should hear this guys, you can see. No more cracking sound anymore. That's why you should like it guys. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching, and how you fix it, you just need to use this magic fluid over here. Just put it to your fader. See, it's just not enough, but it's really effective as you can see. No more cracking sound guys. Clean AF. See guys, there's no cracking sound. It's the only cleaner that's best, guys. And we're gonna be trying it on my next amplifier. See that, guys? There's a cutting sound. See that? See that? It's not consistent, right? It's not consistent. You hear the sound, it's not consistent. So we'll be placing the magic fluid again. Okay guys, do the stress up so you can see that there's no cracking sound anymore. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching, and that's all for this video.